what happened, there is alarm here because you didn't pay for your goods. The tag is still on your goods. So when some person, they didn't pay for the goods, they try to take it, there will be alarm on the antenna. When they pay and the worker in the store take off this tag, there will be no alarm. This is the EAS system, also anti-safety system. And what's the innovation on the latest device? We add the big LCD screen on the device. So the store can show some advertisement, picture or videos. So it's a very fashion device.